Remote Control Battery Replacement, RG55R, RG55T-R, RG80-R. Be sure to read the Operator Service Maintenance Manual in its entirety prior to working on your Rayco stump cutter. The Maintenance Made Easy videos provide you with visual reference only and are not intended to replace your manual. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the equipment. Hand protection should be worn where necessary to protect the worker's hands. Reference your manual for further instruction on proper clothing and protective equipment. Remove the screw located on the bottom of the remote and then remove the back cover. Push the battery pack towards the red lens and lift up to remove the battery pack. With the writing facing you, slide the battery holder out. Replace with 3 AA batteries. Your remote is now ready to use.